it's treat time. And of course, no slumber party is complete without my warm, gooey chocolate puddings. All you have to do is unwrap your little piece of butter. It's just 40 grams of unsalted butter, and put it in your microwave-safe jug. And then 2 tablespoons each of the cacao powder, which is like cocoa powder, but better, less processed. Because it's getting late, I think it's a good idea to keep the sugar down so we don't get the midnight crazies. And 2 for you. The cacao powder's in. Then we just need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Do you want to start, Ayla? Can you find the 1/4 cup in front of you? Tip in 1/4 cup into your jug and pass it on. And 2 tablespoons of milk each. I'm going to pass you on the way through. All the way to the top. Don't want to cheat yourself with maple syrup. In it goes, pass it on. You don't even need to mix it at this stage, but you do need to bring it over to the microwave for me. Let's pop them all in. 1, 2. Selena, did you leave yours behind? And all we need to do is just give it a quick zap, just for 30 seconds, and it's going to melt the butter, and then we can start mixing.
Yum.
I think you girls are going to love this recipe. Take one each. Do you want to take one
Not
each?
many people in there.
All I need you to do, 2, 3, can you just give it a little stir gently until the butter melts? Hey, Meow, can you go to my pantry and find some almond meal for me? It kind of looks like sand.
Here you go.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, darling. And can you grab the eggs for me?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Perfect. All you need to do is just mix it until the butter's melted.
I'm done.
That's good. You're done? Can I give you an egg then? Just break it up.
Okay, can you?
Can I do yours?
Chocolate coated egg. Done it.
There you go. Mix it in. Ayla, can you find the 1/3 cup for me, darling?
Sure. Underneath. There you go. That flour.
It's almond meal that Miel got us. It's just ground up almonds. Keep mixing, we're nearly there. And only one more ingredient. Just a tiny splash, 1/2 teaspoon.
This
vanilla.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, good work. Okay, we're ready to put them in the cups. There's 2 each, so once it's all mixed together, just divide it between the 2. Miel, can I get you to do one more thing for me, sweets? Can you go to the freezer and grab some frozen raspberries? It's down there. Run, run, run. Go, go, go. The other great thing about these puddings, besides being super, super fast, is that we can make different flavours. Yes, we're going to make raspberry and coconut flavour as well. Perfect. Thanks, darling. Ayla, do you want to sprinkle a few raspberries on the top of yours? Yours are going to be plain, Juno, so you can put yours in the microwave. And then, Selena, your flavour can be one of my faves, chopped coconut. So all you need to do is just pick up a little bit and sprinkle on the top, and we're done. Do you like chopped coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The coconut feels crispy.
Crispy, yeah. Do you want to put one in with me? And in it, and 20 seconds. No one sleepwalks, do they? I need to know what I'm in for.
I do.
You don't,
No, I
do you?
sleep talk.
You sleep talk. Is anyone a snorer?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Not really into
I
snoring.
make a purring sound.
Do you? Like a cat? That's going to be funny. Oh, yeah, that's good. See how they're cooked around the outside and they're still fudgy in the centre?
Yeah.
Can you see that? That's perfect.
Pudding.
Who's ready to try?
Me. Fudgelicious.
Delicious. Perfect. A little bit of vanilla yogurt. It's such a good treat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's delicious.
And it was so quick to make. Do you like it?
No, I love it.
That's good. Now, normally I don't do the whole eating in bed thing, but this is not really bed in a bedroom. It's our beautiful canopy. So how about we finish our pudding cups over in our snuggly little canopy? Pretty?
Yeah. It's amazing. Blanket on.
Let's get cozy. Who's got a good sleepover story?
Me.
Has anyone got a scary
Yes,
story?
I got one here.
What's your scary story?
We were having a sleepover and I had this really creepy doll and it had a knife in its hand.
No! Stop it! No one's going to sleep! So what else can we do on our sleepover?
We could go to sleep.
Yes, great idea.